Hello, GFC students. We are in our final week of muscular endurance and we are going to be participating in the FitnessGram assessment to gain a better understanding of your own health-related fitness. The first test we're going to be doing is abdominal strength. You're going to be doing a curl-up test. When you do a curl-up test, your objective is to complete as many curl-ups as possible to a maximum of 75 at a specified pace, and I will have a video explaining that pace. What you're going to do is you're going to lie on your back flat with your head touching the ground, arms outstretched at sides, and your feet flat with your knees up. You're going to do a curl up where you can use your hands and to reach the mid part of your foot as you're doing a curl up and do a sit up the best as you can. If you have an error, if you're not getting back up off the ground, your feet are off the ground, your head's not returning to the mat, or you have a slow pace, try again. Okay. If you have a missed form error, go ahead and continue to try, but try to do as many as you can with correct form. All right. This is not a part of your grade. This has nothing to do with your grade. This only has a guide for you to figure out what fitness level are you on. I don't even need to know the number. It's all for you, but I want you to try an abdominal strength test. So if you look at the healthy fitness zones, depending on your age, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, or 18, if you're a boy, you want to have 21 to 40 curl ups, depending on what age you are. Girls, again, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, you want 18 to 32 or 18 to 35 curl ups as your goal. And again, you want to do as many as you can. If you hit 75, obviously that's wonderful. But your age range, you should probably be getting between 21 and 40 or 24 and 47 or 18 and 35. So if you have questions about curl ups, this is the cadence you're going to do. So go ahead and play this information. It'll open up this. I'll walk you through. So you're going to want to stay at that cadence. So you're going up and down as it says. Do as many as you can. When you're tired and you're done, you can't do anymore, that's totally fine. Go ahead and stop and take a break. Next thing what we're going to do after your curl up test, of course we want to warm up properly, so you want to maybe do a little 5-minute walk, a little 5-minute jog just to warm up your body before you're doing that. Next is your upper body strength and endurance test. You're going to do a 90-degree push-up. When you do that 90-degree push-up, you want to try to do as many as you can, again at that same rhythmic pace. Begin in the up position and follow the cadence. It'll say down, up, and that's the rhythm that you're going to want to go from there. Again, you want to try to get the best position you can. It's a full 90 degree. If you're sagging, if you can't push yourself up, that's okay. This is all for you. Again, it has nothing to do with your grade. It's just your own personal assessment to see where you're at. If you get 5, that's fine. Know where you're at, and maybe you need to be in the needs improvement, but it's up to you. So here's our push-up zone for healthy fitness. Boys age 16, 18 to 35 push-ups. Girls age 16, 7 to 15 push-ups. You want to try to do as many as you can. Again, our link to the cadence so you know what it sounds like. And you're going to want to go at that pace, and that will help you, and that will help determine your true muscular strength and where you're at. Again, if you're in the healthy fitness zone, it indicates the student is considered to be fit enough for good overall health. Most students are regular active, should be able to score within or above the healthy fitness zone on most assessments. If you're in the needs improvement zone, there's potential for future health risks if fitness doesn't improve. Increased activity as well as healthy eating, controlled diet could delay the reverse of the potential risk. So if you're not quite in the healthy fitness zone, you're below the numbers that you need to. Again, there's different things that you can do. You continue to work on your fitness. You can stay healthy, work on your strength, and do the best you can. This is all for you. This is not to do for me at all, but I want you to know where you're at, how you fit in with a standardized test, and good luck. Let me know how it goes. Go ahead and make sure that you're answering your questions on Google Classroom. Have a great day.